Good morning. I'm Adam Ziegler, Operations Section Chief with Rocky Mountain Complex Incident Management Team 2 with your morning update for July 17th for the Gold Mountain Fire. Starting out on the south end of the fire, Division Alpha Bravo and Charlie Delta are all looking really good. That's all in patrol status. We're showing contained line in there, and crews continue to patrol and mop up anything that they find that is a threat to the line. Moving up into Division Foxtrot, we were able to show some containment from the Delta Foxtrot break up around Nate's Creek up to drop point 43. So the crews have been working hard in there. Nice to be able to put that on the map and show the progress of the hard work they've been doing. They continue to work the more direct line closer to the fire's edge, heading up into Division Hotel. And then Division Hotel is also working towards Division Foxtrot to get that line tied in. They're having good progress in there. Just be several more days of line preparation, getting that ready for the next actions we may need to take in there. They're also continuing to scout any more direct options if they could get a little closer in to that fire. Up in Division Kilo, operations are going good. They're getting good progress on the secondary lines that they've put in there, and they were able to start moving some resources to the east to assist Branch 3 with their efforts as they're starting to finish those efforts in Division Kilo. Moving into Division Pop-Up North, they're continuing to progress on their lines, piecing together the road network, meadows, and then using heavy equipment to get between. Couple more days of work on the north-south line in there with crews snagging, getting that ready. And then they're also preparing to sling load the supplies up the hill with helicopters as far as pumps and hose and tanks. It's quite steep in there, so it's going to take a lot of supplies to get the plumbing up there for that chunk of indirect line. Moving into Division Romeo, starting at the south end, down by the east fork of the Cimarron, they're working on a plan on this fire that has slopped into the east fork of the Cimarron. We have some hotshot crews in there evaluating when and where they can engage that to work that fire and get it tied back up to some natural features. They also continue to work the line on the east side of what we're calling the Cimarron structures, all the structures in here north of Silverjack Reservoir. They also started pushing this line to the east up to the High Mesa yesterday and tying that into Division Uniform. They'll be in there several more days working on that line, but progression is going well. On Division Uniform, High Mesa, working on the line all the way from 62 kind of down to the very end of High Mesa with heavy equipment, piecing together some roads, some meadows, and some burn scars in there, getting all that put together. So progress is going well in there as well. And they're scouting a line. It sounds like they have some good options to start moving east to tie that in with the next county road here in the bottom. Crews will continue to move east and will continue to assess different options to the north of the fire, working east in there. Moving down to Division Zulu, that's still looking good where we're showing containment. We're still monitoring that by air and patrolling it with aircraft. We still have the initial attack group. We will take any new fires that start with underneath the temporary flight restriction. We did receive some lightning yesterday, so the folks are ready to respond to that if something does arise. And then we still do have a night shift in place for the entire fire. That's the end of your morning report. Have a good day.